a little fun flow that's going to get both the arms and the legs. I use this when I'm flowing in this direction. So I'm going to start with one blue spring on. I'm going to take my left foot, bring it up onto the headrest, and I'm going to, with my right hand, I'm going to grab the left strap here. So I'm going to use the short loop right here. I'm going to connect under the shoulders. I'm going to press it back for 5. Drawing that shoulder blade down. So I feel that lat. I also feel the tricep of the right arm. I've got 3 more. For 3, 2, and 1. Now I'm going to bring my hand into the longer loop right here. I'm going to add a little rotation. I'm going to rotate from the spine, open up the shoulder, and extend, bringing it right back in. And again, extend, and back in. Let's do 3 more. 2, last one right here, and 1. A lot of times I will do more reps, but for time's sake, I'm cutting the reps down a bit. I'm going to replace that strap. Now, I'm going to come up onto my feet, and I'm going to shimmy all the way to the right, so there's no room for my right foot. I'm going to reach for the right strap. I'm going to bring it over the arch of my right foot. I'm going to go into a standing arabesque. This can easily be done kneeling as well. I'm going to extend it up nice and slow. For 5, typically I do 10. Hips are square, shoulders are square, abdominals are tight. Let's do 3 more. For 3, 2, and 1. Now from here, I'm going to open out to the side, bringing my knee to my elbow, and then kicking it back. For 5, big time glute work right here. I've got 4. I'm still breathing. 2 more. Now I'm going to take that strap off my foot. I'm going to step off of the reformer right here like this, and I'm going to go into a bit of a curtsy as I pull. So I'm going to step back, pull, come up to my flamingo. I'm going to step back, pull, come up to my flamingo. We'll do 2 more. Pull and up. Last one, I'm going to stay down here. I'm going to pull for 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. We're not done. Now, I'm going to come here like this. I'm going to hinge forward. I'm going to connect under the shoulders. I'm going to find those lats again, pressing it back for 5. It's getting heavy now. 4, 3, spine is long, abdominals are tight. 2, and 1. Now I'm going to pull it this way. I'm going to squat a little bit lower. Pull for 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. And there you have it.